the first thing I'm going to do is take off my makeup. I'm using the Equate Makeup Removing Towelettes. And then I'm going to use baby oil to take off my eye makeup. I use baby oil because it really does a good job of taking off waterproof mascara. And then I'm going to go ahead and brush my teeth as well. Then I'm going to cleanse my face. I've been using this cleanser for a very long time. They have just changed their formula though, so it's called the Mandelic Clarifying Cleanser by Neostrata. It's a really great cleanser to use if you have acne. It has helped my acne a lot over the years, especially with this new formula. I actually really like it. It has helped a lot with my chin and jaw breakouts. After cleansing, I'm going to exfoliate using this Clinique exfoliating scrub. I like this exfoliator a lot. I've been using this for I think almost a year now, and I really like it. I feel like it does a really good job of getting rid of all of my dead skin cells and making my skin look and feel really smooth after. I only use this once a week. I don't do any more than that, or else it can get pretty harsh on your skin. And then I just pat my face dry, and then I go in with my toner. This is the Neostrata Acne Clarifying Solution. This has salicylic acid in it. They have also changed this formula, and I honestly don't like this new formula as much at all. I find it to be pretty drying, but it does the job for now. So now it is time to moisturize and do some spot treatment. So first I'm going to put some eye cream on. This is the Olay Ultimate Eye Cream. I was using the Olay 7-in-1 eye cream before this, and I really like that as well. I don't really notice a huge difference between the two formulas, but they both perform really well, and I would definitely recommend them. Next, I am taking this Mario Badescu buffering lotion, and I am applying this on my chin area. So this product is supposedly really good for acne breakouts and getting rid of any troublesome areas that you have. So I've been using this on my chin area and on my jawline because that's where I've been getting a lot of breakouts. They're mainly hormonal, but I've heard a lot of good things about this product, and so far I'm kind of on the fence about it. It's okay. It's not like a miracle worker or anything, so I'm just still trying to test it out, but so far it's okay. Next, I'm going to moisturize with the Body Shop Tea Tree Night Lotion, and I really love this lotion to apply at nighttime because it's very calming. It smells really nice, and it also has tea tree oil in it, which is really good for blemishes. And then I am going to take the Clean and Clear Persa Gel 5, which has 5% benzoyl peroxide, and I use that to put on any active pimples that I have. I've been using this product for the longest time. I think like probably over 10 years now. It just really helps to get rid of pimples a lot faster because it kills the bacteria and makes them go away a lot faster. I also use the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil on breakouts that I have as well, but this is more for if I have just popped a pimple or if it's like an open pore, then I will put this on because it really helps to calm things down and helps to clean out that area and get rid of the breakout faster. I really love this product a lot. This is my second bottle, and I definitely recommend it. Lastly, I'm just going to moisturize my lips with the Blistex Lip Medics lip balm, and I love this lip balm because it's very moisturizing and also has that minty sensation to it, so it helps to cool down the lips, and it really helps especially in the winter. So that concludes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!